Now we'll talk about dictionary. This is another container object, but it is different from the sequences. Sequences like string, tuple, and list, it is different from them because dictionary has a key and a value. So it works in key value pairs. Um, and there are different approaches to create the dictionary. The first approach is that you can have curly braces. Okay, so this will help you in creating the dictionary. Uh, you can you can see here we have a key which is a JAWS and then has a value after the colon, and then we have a comma is a separator between the two values, key values. So this is my key and C minus is my value. Similarly, we have a second approach that we can use the dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehension is like a is a for loop, you know, inside the container that we can have. So we'll use this one. And the third approach is the dictionary function, which is a built-in function. So if you see here, we have Bob is equal to telephone number. So Bob is a key and telephone number is a value, comma, then we have another one. This is one way. Or dictionary, in dictionary, you can pass the list. You can pass the list. This list you can pass. And in that list, we are having tuples. This is tuple number one and record number one and record number two, separated by comma. So the first value will become the key, and the second value will become the value of in the dictionary. So let's try that. So this is my A is equal to, this is my empty dictionary. I can print A and you will see that it comes up. It is dictionary is empty one. So I can put some values. So I can take this value. I can copy and paste. So Joe's has A plus and Gino has C minus. So I can try this one. And if we just try here, you see. And if I want to print the value of Joe's, so I have to say Joe's has to be, maybe I can say something like that. JOSE. Okay. And then I can see here. So I got the A plus. So if you pass on the values like this, Joe's is, and similarly, if I go for the Gino, then I should be getting C minus. Okay. We can create through the dictionary comprehension. So let's try that. If I say I have A is equal to, again, a dictionary, I can say X, X square. So we can make it X square for X in, I can have a range of 5. So it will start from 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we can, and now we can say, okay, I would like to see the value of, and I would like to see the dictionary itself. So let's run it. You see here, so it loops for 5 times, 0 to 4, and it gives me the value. This is a key and a value. Key is 1, value is 1, because 1 square of 1 is 1. Then we have a key 2, and the square of the 2 is 4. This is the value. And similarly, we have 3 to 9 and 4 to 16. So this is the comprehension, dictionary comprehension, that can help us in creating a new dictionary. Now, we do have another approach that we can use the dictionary function. So let's try that. I can create a dictionary function like that. And in this one, I can say Bob is equal to 555 minus 2232. Any number you can have. This is the string, so I can go with the string. Okay. And similarly, I can put comma after that. And I can say John is my key, and it's equal to, this is my 555 minus 0055. Okay, so let's see what we'll get in this when we run this program. So I got like Bob becomes my key, and this become my value. Telephone number is my value. If you see here, I did not put any apostrophe or to make it a string or something like that. When it converts to dictionary, it becomes a string automatically. And John is like that. So if you want to see that the value in the, so I can say, hey Bob, can you show me the Bob telephone number? So I can just run the program and I can see the value is like this. So this is how you can create the dictionaries. We can access the dictionary with the help of index, as we have seen. I just give the key and then I can access the value. And by the way, I can add or I can modify the entry. So for example, if I say A and Emmy is equal to A and Emmy, this is equal to B plus, then this is my, so if I display the A, you will see that I got Emmy. So it is added automatically. Now, if I say I want to have my Bob A plus, because Bob is my, okay, Bob telephone number. So telephone number is like 555 minus 9999. Now you can see that. So this will change the Bob number. So this is the way you can add, and this is the way that you can modify. So let's go and run it. Now you'll see this is 555 and 999. What happens to Emmy? Oh, because we created again, so the M is gone, huh? So that is how it is going to be. So this was the way that you can, oh, I want to delete now. So let's let's delete the John. Huh? So I can say, let's delete the Bob. So I can say delete and a Bob. I can remove this part. Now what will happen? It will delete the Bob. And then when I print A, it will only print Johns. So this is how you can delete the value from the dictionary. Let me clear it and run it. There you go. So Bob is deleted, and this John is the only one that has the value. I can check the existence of the value of the key. If I say if, now I will run again. So Bob and John will be in my list, in my dictionary, by the way. So Bob and John will be in the dictionary, and I'm checking for the Bob. If Bob in A, okay. If it is like that, print. Otherwise, else I can say print not available. Okay, so let's see if it is there. It will print A. I think it's a good idea if you can print the value of the Bob. So I can say if it is there, then print the value of Bob. Otherwise, print A. So you see, it is printing the value of Bob. It's there. If I say I would like to check Bob B, for example. And now I should not be getting the Bobby and say it's not available because it is not in the A list. So that is how you can check the existence. You can test the existence of any key in the dictionary. And by the way, since we at the moment we are giving a value, but and the value could be list as well. So for example, if I say A, and in this one I can say Okay, we can have a JSON, and the JSON value is equal to a list. So I can say I can have two lists, A plus and A minus. Okay. So and now if I say I would like to display um, the dictionary. So let's see what we'll get. Okay, so Bob got a value telephone number, John got a value telephone number, and Jason has a value that is a list, and it contains two values. So basically, we can assign list, we can assign numbers, we can assign, you know, we can assign string as a value in the. So basically, we can have different types of objects in our dictionary as a value. So, so that's it for today for this um, dictionary.